Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys today. Going to be talking to you about Venice token. It's going to be VVV. So it's very exciting to talk about one of these AI coins that's really on the move. Venice token is doing rather well. And the great thing about it is it's not even at a billion market cap as of yet. But remember, whatever we say on the channel is not financial advice. However, if you like what you see today, we just ask you to like and subscribe to our channel. We are growing and we ask that you grow with us. Now, let's just go ahead and start looking at Venice token a little bit. Currently, right now, it is up about 8% on the day. For the week, Venice token is up 24%. It's pretty strong there. For the month, it is up 123%. And let's see what's going on for the year. Wow. For the year, Venice token is up 591%. So we're looking at some really phenomenal numbers at the moment. Guys, this token is definitely on the move. And so things are going extremely well. Looks like for the all time, it is up almost 4,000%. So this thing is really, really moving very well. But guys, I'm going to say this. AI is here to stay. So artificial intelligence and artificial intelligence tokens aren't going anywhere. So this is why we can feel very strongly about this particular token. The tokenomics is not that bad either. The main thing is we know that as time goes along, these particular sectors, as far as AI, et cetera, are going to be more and more valuable. So keep that in mind as we look at this particular token. Right now, it is over $20, and if it ever gets under 20, would definitely be something to consider. So definitely, guys, just saying things are going very well with Venice token. Let's go ahead and look at the cryptocurrency market as a whole. As a whole, the market is getting very fearful at about 20. So just a heads up on that. Market cap is really falling. So 2.21 trillion. One of the things we want to look at here, what Bitcoin is at 63,000. Wow. So I've already told you guys that I was planning on scooping up a little bit once it got at certain low levels. We see that what Ethereum was is at like, wow, Ethereum is at 1700. So guys, just saying, this is a great time to go shopping, so to speak. But I understand some people may, how can I say, have to choose your time wisely, right? So but we mentioned that certain things might be happening like this during this particular time, and now is an opportunity to be fearful when those certain ones are greedy, and be greedy when certain ones are fearful. Now, let's go ahead and look at the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, showing you right now that Bitcoin dominance is much further down than what it was. So, and Ethereum's at 9.7%. That means the percentage as far as the altcoins is going up, as far as like the amount of altcoins here. One of the things we can say about this, that there are certain altcoins that are pumping and are going forward, and one of those is Venice token. So just a heads up on that. Let's just keep that in mind. Let's go to the X site for Venice and see if there's anything we want to see there. Ah, this is beautiful. All right, your credits go further on every generation. Same model, same quality, more videos, and says WAN 2.7 is a powerful next generation. Let me go back to that. Um, AI model developed by Alibaba. Moving. Let's go down a little bit. Here we go. Talking more about Venice. Private, uncensored AI in the wild, SDKs, agents, on-chain experiments, dashboards, and more, all shipped by the Venice community. So looks like here that Venice, the AI also creates AI agents. Let's see, submit your project for a chance to be featured, built in Venice. Oh, this is very impressive, guys. Let's see if I can find anything else here as well. This looks really good. Eric Voorhees, do recall he is very, how can I, essential in the Venice program as well. Used to do a lot with another crypto a while back. Also, I think it was one of the Foxes. Guy's very, very smart. So generate high quality images, posters, logo with ideograms, latest V4. Wow. Here it is. Industry leading text rendering for posters, logos, and marketing graphics. So venice.ai. Pretty impressive. Let's keep it moving though. We want to look a little bit further and take a look at some news, Venice news. Venice token surges 12%. This was a few days ago, says poised for further gains with bullish patterns and strong community support. Okay, so talks about how the token rose 12%. Key support levels historically triggered price rebounds. And so let's see where else we're going with this. Chart pattern showing ascending triangle, fractal similar to setups that led to breakout rallies, reinforcing the idea of VVV reaching new all-time highs, which it is now doing. So community sentiment remains bullish, 75%, supporting the optimistic outlook for further gains in the near term. All right, let's go a little bit further. This is like from today. I think it was like this morning. This is looking pretty impressive as well. Says the recent, 4.21 percentage point move in Venice can be attributed to new listings, integrations, broader AI altcoin rotation, and short-term volume surges. So let's see if there's anything else we want to talk about here in particular. Let's see. Let's just read this portion. VVV is part of a broader flow of capital into AI associated and hyperliquid ecosystem tokens, while majors stay range bound. A CoinDesk markets piece describes how speculative money is moving into assets tied to emerging themes such as artificial intelligence and decentralized trading infrastructure, explicitly naming Venice alongside Hype and ZEC, Zcash, as examples. The same article explains that many traders do not think Bitcoin and Ether are going to move very much right now, so they are shifting into higher volatility altcoins where AI tokens are performing very well. So the context suggests that part of VVV's was a 6.4% 24-hour move. It's not purely idiosyncratic, but also reflects sector-wide positioning into AI and hyperliquid related plays, while BTC and ETH are consolidating. So very impressive information here. Also, let's go to the chart. This is VVV and how it has fared for the last 6 months. If you notice, it has really been doing rather well, and it's been a stair step here in March, about the end of February. Yeah, February to March, there's a jump. And then from March to May, and then, that's the very beginning of May. And then all of a sudden, boom, it starts to move very quickly in the month of May. And here we are now at the beginning of June. Very impressive as far as the overall how can I say, the overall chart moving upwards with our depth chart and price chart, etc. I want to say this though. I got a feeling this one is going to be able to run pretty far. So while it's at 20 and while it's under $1 billion market cap, this may be one of the best times to actually get into this one. Usually, once these particular altcoins are doing well during the um, bear market. And right now, you see fear is everywhere. But if you see an altcoin doing well now, usually once the actual bull market takes place and breaks out, things are going to be extremely good for this Venice. So in VVV, my consideration, not financial advice, right? But I would say that this is probably the best opportunity to get into the coin. If you can, if you can get this thing to cool off and go below 20, fine. Uh, but just saying, this is going to be a great opportunity to look into Venice while it's pretty young. Don't think the coin has been around for forever, so to speak. Let me take a good look at it. But this is the thing. You want to make absolutely sure that you take advantage of the opportunity that's right in front of you. Hyperliquid, Venice, Near, some of these other AI plays that we've been talking about as well are looking very good. And in my personal thought, this will be the best time to put these on your watch list and maybe on your buy list. Al, real life investing. This is a strong one, guys. I wouldn't just ignore it. Venice is looking really good, and it may be the opportunity of a lifetime. Have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.